I'm here today, and I'm outside in one of the biggest snowstorms I probably have ever seen in my life. So far, we already got 15 inches, and they actually want us to have more. I actually am wearing this because it's really cold outside, and my glasses keep falling off. Maybe not. Just keeping them off a little bit. But, yeah. So far we got 15 inches. And, it's actually really crazy out here. No, I did not get a haircut. My hair is just, pushed aside under the hat right now. Yeah. This is probably one of the craziest snowstorms I've ever saw. Yeah. So, I am going to show you right now. Yeah, look at about maybe 5-10 minutes ago. I shoveled this already, and it's already about inch deep. 5 minutes ago. Let's see. This is really huge amount of snow from shoveling, and it's about this high off the ground. It's about half the size of me, and I'm 6 foot, so that's like a little more than 3 feet of snow. As you can see, the streets are covered. Everything is pretty much covered. Yeah. My back. Let's hope I can get into my backyard without falling. I already walked through here, so I have footprints. But still, I almost fell. Man, so much snow. My God, there's so much snow. Seriously, it's too much snow. There's actually too much snow. But yeah, they, yesterday, before school was even over, they gave us off from school because of the storm. Which is actually really cool. Because no matter what, we would have no school today. Snow or not, we would have off. This is really awesome. As you can see, everything is covered. And yeah, my back door is almost pretty much sealed off. I have to shovel that then. But look at that. The bushes are completely taken down. Let's see if I can get over there. My God, there's so much snow. That's how much snow we have already. That's a little bit over a foot. And it is still snowing. As you can see, it does not look like it's going to stop anytime soon. Look at that. My foot is completely into the ground. This is probably the most snow. I've lived here 14 years, my whole life, almost 15. And I'm serious. This is the most snow I have ever seen before. The funny thing is, about 3 days before the snowstorm, it snowed. So it was probably about another foot under this snow. The trees look like they're just gonna fall down. Like that right there. It's on the ground, touching the ground because of all the snow. Nah, look at that. Like, there's too much snow. I'm not complaining because I know I won't have school tomorrow. And it sounds like somebody got stuck. Oh my God, I'm freezing. Camera's all covered in snow. This is not good. The camera's all covered in snow. Alright. See if I can turn around without falling. I'm getting snow into my shoes. Yeah. Snow into my shoes. Wow. Let's see if I can get back out front. I'll go walk around in the street, show you guys. Let's see what else. yeah, about me and my friend's new series. First episode we made already, and it's up on YouTube. It's the Jolly and Trooper Show. Well, as you can see, there's already more snow covering my footprints already. My hand is completely frozen. Wow, there's actually some idiot trying to drive out in the snowstorm. Well, let's see if I can get out front. Okay, I am now in the street. You see it's tally mark. Hey, look, someone else is walking in the street. Cars. There you go. Honk, honk, honk. I'm out in the street, so what? It's a snowstorm. Who cares? Honestly, like, if anybody drives down the street in a snowstorm, they're idiots. There's too much snow. Too much snow. Freezing cold. Yeah, I'm gonna end it now. I'm freezing. As you can see, I am covered in snow. I'm just walking around. I am covered in snow. I'm gonna end it now. I'm cold. It's freezing out here. God. Alright. Maybe I'll make another video when it's warm. When I'm warm. Yeah. Alright. Well, I'm ending it now.